Could you say more about your awareness of the Holocaust and the effect that had on your family?
Well, you know, my mother spoke of her family often. I said, you know, Mom, when I was very little, I said, Christmas, it's an American holiday. It's Santa Claus. He's not Jesus or anything. She says, listen, darling, all I know is Christmas night, they'd send out the dogs on the Jews. That made an impression. And I told my kids that. So they didn't have any longing for Christmas trees. But the Holocaust, well, of course, my neighbors, their father was burnt because he didn't have the right passport. That's why he couldn't get out. He was trying to get his papers. He couldn't get out because he didn't have the right passport. No, the Holocaust was very big with very present in our lives. And this family, we're very close to them. They were my neighbors. They were his closest cousins. My mother-in-law saved their lives. My brother-in-law was a mentor to the young boy that lived there. So we were always aware, and they were always aware. And they always celebrated the day they came to America, August 8th, 1939. And we did too. You know, it was very big. And I, of course, read many books. And I don't know if you're familiar with the book, The Hare with the Amber Eyes. It's a magnificent book, magnificent. And it's about a family that was as wealthy as who's the wealthiest Jews? You know, I forget names.
The Rothschilds?
The Rothschilds. You got the right one. And however, they didn't have the same luck. And the Hare with the Golden Eyes is a little Nicky that they had with amber eyes, in this book, I was so excited that they described the neighborhood in Austria and how they did everything. And I told the woman, the cousin of mine, you know, Ralph's cousin, and we're very close. We call each other and we speak. We're very good friends. I called her to read this book because it's a wonderful book, wonderfully written. And then they had a description of the Anschluss. And I said, don't read it. It has a description of the Anschluss. I couldn't swallow it. And she said, I remember I was coming home shopping with my mother. She described what was in this book. So you can see that emotionally, it has never left me. And that's why I'm an atheist.